Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your fresh sales, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your fresh sales account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of it. But why would you want to delete or remove a contact in your fresh sales CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, and especially if you're doing sales, you know that sometimes your prospects write back with a nasty message. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your fresh sales account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my fresh sales CRM. This is the homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to delete or remove a contact, here on the left side, you're going to make sure you click on the little person icon. Once you click there, you will see all of your contacts in fresh sales. And in order to delete a contact, just scroll through until you find the person you would like to delete. So for example, this person right here. So there's actually two different ways you can delete this contact. The first and easiest way is you can click the little box next to them. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top, and then you can go ahead and click delete. Alternatively, you can go ahead and just hover over their name. And when you do that, you're going to see these three dots here to the right. Just click there and then click on delete. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and it says, are you sure you want to delete this contact in your fresh sales? They do let you know that you can recover that contact for up to 90 days later if you go into the recycling bin. So if you're sure you'd like to go ahead and delete and remove this contact from your fresh sales, click on yes. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this pop up down here confirming that your contact has been removed from your fresh sales account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your fresh sales account, that's the easiest way I know to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.